experience about this campus?
I'm from Kazakhstan, Astana, and I'm associate professor, PhD, Nogayev Adilbek. I'm working with second civil research University of Kazakhstan. And right now we participate in this conference, and we established a joint laboratory about ecological restoration of pasture grasslands of Kazakhstan and China, between China and Kazakhstan.
So what are your expectations for the future cooperation?
In the future, we expect some very good cooperation between two countries for scientific work with grasslands. Because right now we have a lot of some problems for degradation and overgrazing and other very big problems with grasslands of both countries. And I think both countries, both sides scientists working together and establish some very efficiency technology for improve of grasslands and meadows.
So what is your feeling about in this area, Gansu's role in this part?
Oh yeah, Gansu is a very good place. Gansu is one is a leader of some grasslands, scientific grasslands improve grasslands, and because Lanzhou University and the College of the Pasture Science is very good, have very good scientists. For example, especially Professor Hu Jianhou, Wang Li was a scientist in their team.
Thank you very
Thank
much
you.
for your accepting our interview.